Hello, boys and girls. Good morning to you. In this session, we are going to talk about your career prospect in the shipping field. So, first, let me wish you all the very best and congrats for clearing your exams. Depending on your marks, there are different kind of departments where you can join through. In the shipping industry, first of all, the main two departments are one is shore based and another is the ship where it is the sailing ship. We are going to talk about the sailing ship or the sea carrier. In the sea carrier, we have different departments whereby one is called the rating or the crew department. Then we got the engineering department. The engineering has a subdivision of the engineers and the electrician. And the last but not the least is the nautical department. First, let me start with the crewing department. For applying for this course, basically you need to have a minimum passing percentage and less than 60% of your marks. These candidates can apply for this course, whereby you are basically going to undergo a training period of 3 months or 6 months in shore, where they will explain you the basic criterias and they will issue a certificate along with another 4 mandatory courses. So after which, with all this, you can apply a booklet called the CDC or the Continuous Discharge Certificate. Later, coming to the engineering side, so as I said, there are two departments. One is the engineers and the other is the electricians. The engineers are, it is more similar to your BE and BTech course, but here they will teach you about the maritime industry or the shipping industry, about the machinery parts on a ship. And the other subdivision, what I told you, the electricians, there they'll be doing about the electrical and the electronic side, for which you need to be a diploma or engineer from the electrical or electronic side. Again, here you will have a course duration of 1 year, 3 year or 4 year, depending on the kind of the university you are getting affiliated through. The next one is the nautical side, which is basically the people who are driving the ship. That's what they call. Actually, it's not they are driving, they guide through. The nautical side is again a field where they have a 1 year course, a 3 year course, and a 4 year course as well. For all these courses, after you finish, the 4 mandatory courses are very important, which you will have all the details on the website, which I'm going to tell you in the last. And for all of these courses, once you get your certificate along with the 4 mandatory courses, then you will have to apply for the CDC or the Continuous Discharge Certificate. And through your passport with all these documents, then you can search and apply for your jobs in the shipping companies, for which there is also again a list of companies which you will get in the internet. The main people who are conducting these courses in India especially uh, is a university which is called the Indian Maritime University, which comes under directly the shipping industry of the government of India. These are the people who set all the criterias for the common test or the entrance exam, like how you do for your normal the engineering or the medicine, the MBBS. Um, Once you reach or once you contact this website for the minimum criteria, they'll give you all the details about the marks required, the duration of the courses, the course fees, and how to go about applying, and which are the centers and all. For all this, you need to contact the website called the Indian Maritime University, where it's also known as IMU, where they will have all the details available. And for more concrete details, you have to contact the DG Shipping website. The DG means Director General of Shipping, who will be the main authorities who are responsible for issuing your certificates. Please contact these websites and to get more details. One is the DG Shipping, the other is the IMU or the Indian Maritime University website. Uh, so take care and wish you best in your career.